Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best eyebrow razors available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Fuzz Eyebrow Razor. This gentle hair remover works to remove unwanted peach fuzz and dead skin cells from the face and body, that leaving you with a fresh dewy look. It has a safe substitute for at-home exfoliation. This face, brow and lip trimmer is a quick and simple exfoliating tool for women. Before exfoliating, cleanse your face and apply lotion, moisturizer, face oil or shave cream to reduce skin irritation. You can remove hair by tilting the shaver blade at a low angle with the plastic portion almost touching your skin. It features a thin blade that helps minimize uneven skin tone, eases dry patches and promotes a higher rate of skin cell turnover. At number 5 we have Schick Eyebrow Razor. This multi-zone face and body shaver is uniquely designed for convenient and precise hair removal. Unlike other electric shavers, this trimmer includes one handle, 5 attachments, a beauty bag, a cleaning brush and touch-up razor to meet all of your grooming and product care needs. The bikini trimmer and comb attachments allow you to expertly shave your bikini area and unique zones in or out of the shower. With the perfect finish trimmer you can effortlessly trim and shape eyebrows, gently smooth away unwanted facial hair and easily shape your bikini line. At number 4 we have Amazon Eyebrow Razor. Amazon Basics Dermaplane Razor safely, gently and comfortably removes hair, dead skin and unwanted peach fuzz. That's leaving your skin looking and feeling soft and smooth. This multi-purpose beauty tool features a micro-guard blade to protect your skin during use and precision eyebrow shaping. This multi-purpose beauty tool features a micro-guard blade to protect your skin during use. It features a micro-guard blade to protect skin while safely. At number 3 we have Diane Eyebrow Razor. It comes with safely trims eyebrows and unwanted facial hair and neck hair. This comes with plastic cap, protects blade when not in use. Number 2 we have Brookstone Eyebrow Razor. The precision electric razor is used on the top and bottom of eyebrows to instantly and painlessly remove unwanted eyebrow hair and shape a perfect eyebrow. The face hair trimmer is also a great fuzz remover for other unwanted peach fuzz facial hair. It is perfect for a full shave, light trim or medium trim. The Dermaplane Razor for women face removes fine eyebrow hairs and all other unwanted hair on lips, face and arms. The facial hair trimmer for women features 2 length eyebrow trimmer guards. The 1/8 inch guard allows for a more shorter trim, while the 1/4 inch guard allows for a medium trim. At number 1 we have Eyebrow Eyebrow Razor. This hair removal for women provides 2 different types of trimming heads to meet the beauty needs of different parts of the body. The facial hair removal for women can be used not only as an eyebrow trimmer but also as a facial hair remover. The electric razors for women is suitable for upper and lower lip, cheeks, chin, bikini area, legs, eyebrow and neck. The facial hair removal for women takes 6 hours to fully charge and supports 70 minutes of use. You can charge the electric razors for women anywhere through your computer, power bank, car charger and so on. The rechargeable design of hair removal for women ensures convenience and safety. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best eyebrow razors for your need.